Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how many RAM slots does the HP Victus Gaming 16 have. And this may vary depending on the model, the exact model number that you have. So let's establish it ourselves. Just right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. Then click on Performance tab, which is here on the left side, and then go to Memory. And in Memory, you'll see the slots used and the form factor. The form factor is very important. If it's the SODIMM, then you can replace the RAM, but if it says rows of chips, it cannot be replaced because it's soldered to the motherboard. So if it's in the SODIMM, then you can see slots used in this case are 2 of 2, so there are just 2 slots and both of them are used. So if I wanted to upgrade from 16 to 32 gigabytes, I would need to buy 2 RAM sticks of 16 gigabytes each. Sometimes it says, for example, 2 of 4, which means that you have 2 RAM sticks inserted and 2 RAM slots left. So you can just buy additional sticks on top of that. But if it just has the, all of them taken, then you need to replace the old sticks. And also the speed is very important if buying a RAM. In this case, it's the 3200 millitransfers per second, and this is important to establish it because you should get the speed that's supported by this laptop. So in this case, it'll be that 3200 millitransfers per second. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.